So what do we mean by synchronous counter? See, so basically synchronous counter. So as the name suggests, there is something synchronized over here and it is counting. Okay. So synchronous over here is clock and counter means flip-flop. So all the flip-flop are basically given the same clock pulse. So that is what I have written. In synchronous counter, we apply common clock pulse to all the flip-flop so that all the flip-flop change state at the same time. Okay. So all the flip-flop, it changes state at the same time. So this is what is here known as synchronous counter, that a counter where we give a common clock pulse to all the flip-flop and all the flip-flop, they change that state at the same time. So such kind of counter where we have common clock pulse, it is known as what? Synchronous counter. Now one thing to remember, in synchronous counter, suppose we have a 3-bit synchronous counter. So 3-bit, if we have a 3-bit counter, so it can count from 000 till 111. That is from 0 to 7 we can count. So if we have a 3-bit synchronous counter, the count sequence can be like this: 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, then 2 to 3 till 7, and then again back from 7 to 0. Count can be like this, or your count can be like 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, then to 3, then to 1, then to 0, and then again back to 7. And your counting sequence can also be like this: 1 to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 6, then again back to 1. So any random count like this also can take place. Why? Because synchronous counter, it takes help of your next state equation to build the counting sequences. We are going to see. Okay. So what we have in synchronous counter, such type of random counting sequences are also possible to generate. Okay. We can generate it. So now let us see this with the help of an example. So here I have taken one question: next state equation, also known as characteristics equation. So remember this, that your next state equation is also known as characteristics equation of a synchronous sequential circuit is given like this. Okay, obtain its state transition diagram, state transition table, and implement it in logic circuit using JK flip-flop. So reading the question, if you guys are able to understand something, it's okay. If you are not able to understand, then also it's okay. See, here basically we have two flip-flop. Okay. So this is the next state equation of the flip-flop A. This is the next state equation of your flip-flop B. Okay. Next state equation of your flip-flop B. So now what is the representation over here? Look. See, there are various ways to represent your present state and your next state. See, till now we have written it like present state, if it is Qn, next state is Qn plus 1. Sometimes we have even written it like Q plus. Now if suppose here we have flip-flop A, so the present state can be written as An, the next state of flip-flop A can be written as An plus 1. Similarly over here we have flip-flop B, so we can write it as Bn plus 1. Even one more way we can write, okay, one more way we can write, if present state of flip-flop A is denoted by Qa, so the next state of flip-flop A, it can be denoted by Qa plus 1. Similarly for B flip-flop, if your present state is denoted by Qb, your next state can be also denoted by Qb plus 1. So any one of the following representation might be used, so don't get confused. Okay. So note it down very quickly. Note it down. So we will start with the question then. Okay, fine. So look over here. See, I haven't given you the order, but usually the order will be given. So here I am telling A is MSB and B is LSB. So this will be always given to you in the question. Array, you didn't note? So note it down quickly. So always in your synchronous counter, the MSB and LSB will be given to you. So A is MSB, B is LSB. Okay. So note it down quickly. Noted, Shubham? Okay. So now let us write your what? Let us write your next state equation. See, the next state equation of JK flip-flop, it is given like this. Qn plus 1 is equal to JQ complement plus K complement Q. Similarly, for this A flip-flop, the next state equation, because it is written, obtain its state transition diagram, state transition table, and implement it in logic circuit using JK flip-flop. So it is given that you need to implement it in JK flip-flop. So that is why I am taking JK flip-flop. So now I can write this in terms of, means the next state equation of flip-flop A, I can write it like this. An plus 1 is equal to Ja An complement plus Ka complement An. Look, I can write it like this or not. Simply I have means written what? Flip-flop means next state equation for this flip-flop A. Okay, I have written it like this. And in the question, your next state equation is given like this. An plus 1 is equal to, first understand, then you can copy. An complement Bn plus Bn complement. So now what we can do, you can see that over here we have one term of An complement and one term of An, but over here we only have An complement, we don't have terms of An. So what I can do, simply I can write it like this. Okay, I can write it like this. So if I do this, now you can see there is a term of complement, An complement, as well as a term of normal An. So let us separate it out. So this will be An complement Bn plus An Bn plus An complement Bn. So these two terms I can condense. So this will be what? Bn An complement plus, I can write it as Bn An. So this is An plus 1. Let me write this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Now comparing equation 1 and equation 2, what you can see, I am getting Ja as Bn, and what about K? So K is equal to Bn complement. Look over here. So are we getting this or not? What happened? Are we getting this or not? Wait a minute. Somewhere have we done some mistake or what? Means over here we have Bn complement, na? So that is what I am thinking. It was Bn complement. And you guys told me, sir, everything is okay. So this was Bn complement and I forgot to write complement over here. So that is why I was thinking I am getting the wrong result, because if this is the case, we won't be getting over here. This is Bn, yes. Over here we have made one mistake. So this, if we separate, so An complement is Bn plus Bn complement, and over here this is Bn complement also. So plus An Bn complement. So now if you compare, you can see J is equal to 1 and your this one An. So Bn is means Ka is equal to Bn. Now this is correct. So look, so don't make mistake in all these things, okay? So quickly note it down. Now similarly, we are going to find input for this B flip-flop, okay? Noted everyone? Okay. So next we are going to find the input for your B flip-flop. So same way we will do. See over here, B flip-flop has a term of complement, Bn complement and Bn. But over here you can see there is only Bn complement. So what we need to do? We need to make a term of Bn and Bn complement. So that we can do by Bn plus Bn complement plus Bn complement. So this will be An Bn plus An Bn complement plus Bn complement. So this will be what? An Bn plus, if you take common, so this will be 1 plus An, so this will be Bn complement. Okay. So you can see JB is also equal to 1 if you compare this two. So let me write this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. So JB is equal to 1 and your KB is equal to An complement. So you have JB, you have KB. So now you can design what? You can design this counter using JK flip-flop because you have the inputs. As this is your synchronous counter. So either it can be positive edge or negative edge, it doesn't matter. So this is JA, KA, JB, KB. So what is JA? JA is 1, KA is Bn. JA is 1, KA is Bn. So this is An complement. This is Bn complement. What? KB is equal to An. So Bn complement. KB is equal, okay. What? KB is equal to An. Array, compare this to this one and this one over here. So you can see this is 1 dot Bn complement. So JB is 1 and Bn, KB is An complement. Why it will be An? Have I done some mistake or what? No. Chandana, where you have doubt? KB is equal to AN. What happened? Means I am not able to get what you are trying to ask. Got it. Okay, fine. So now look, K is what? K is Bn. So Bn, so this is your Bn, and JB is 1 and KB is AN complement. Okay, fine. So now if you write the next state equation for this two flip-flop, you will be getting this only, because with the help of this only we have constructed this one. Okay, so this is how you design what? A synchronous counter with the help of your given characteristics equation or given next state equation. Okay, so there are few more things asked. Obtain its state transition diagram, state transition table. So what is the state transition table? Okay, state transition table. So in state transition table, basically we have the relationship between present state and next state. So I have told you that over here, the means MSB is A and LSB is B. So present state. So first time if we are drawing, so that is why I am writing so much. So this is present state. Over here we will have next state. Okay. So now these two equations we have. So what are the combinations of present state that we can have over here? It can be either 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So if this is 0 0, you can see an plus 1 will be 1. Why? Because one of this bn, if it is 0, so this will become 1. So 1 plus anything, it will be 1. And what about bn? So again you can see there is 0, so this will become 1. Next is what? An means over here we have an equal to 0, bn equal to 1. So 0 1, again this becomes 1, and over here this is 0 0, so this will be 0. Now this is 1 0, so 0 again, this is 1, and over here we have 1. Okay, so this is again coming back to 1, and if it is 1 1, so over here this is 0 and this will be 1. So you can see this is what? This is your state transition table. So in state transition table, basically you have what? You have your relationship or all the possible combination of present state and next state. So this is one way you can draw, or else there is also one more way in which you can draw. Look over here. So either you draw like this, or you can even draw like this. So you initialize this counter from 0 0. So over here I will write the clock pulse. So at 0th clock pulse, the present state is what? 0 0. So next state will be what? It will be equal to 1 1. At clock pulse 1, your present state is 1 1. Next state will be what? Over here, if this is 1, so this is 0 and this is 1. At clock pulse 2, present state is 0 1. What about next state? So this is 1 and over here this is 0. At clock pulse 3, your present state is 1 0. Your next state will be what? So 0, this will be 1 and over here 1. So you can see you are returning again to this state. So if you go to clock pulse 4, once again your states will be repeated. You can see after 1 1 you are again coming back to 0 1. So this will go on and on. So you can see from 0 0 you went to 1 1. From 1 1 you went to 0 1 in the next clock pulse. From 0 1 to 1 0. And again from 1 0 to 1 1. So this table, it is known as what? It is known as your state transition table, and this diagram is known as state diagram. See, even if you had drawn from this one, you will be getting the same. So look, from 0 0 you go to 1 1, okay? Then from 0 1 you go to 1 0. So right over here, from 0 1 you go to 1 0. From 1 0 you again go back to 1 1, okay? And from 1 1 to 0 1. So you can see the same state diagram we have, okay? Same state diagram. From 1 1 to 0 1, from 1 1 to 0 1, from 0 1 to 1 0, 0 1 to 1 0, and again from 1 0 to 1 1. So same state diagram we are having. So any way you want to draw, you can draw your state diagram, okay? Either you can draw it like this by taking all the possible combination of present state to get the next state, or what you do, you initialize the counter from 0 0 and subsequently you calculate the present state and its corresponding next state. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me, any doubt?
So,
Any doubt? Yes, tell me.
so why you take that clock pulse at 0 to 4? I didn't get like why.
Where?
This one, sir. This you said two representations, right? So the first one we didn't include clock pulse.
Okay, here also we have clock pulse. Without clock, how can a counter count? I have told you these are synchronous counter. Means I have skipped over here. So here also we have clock pulse. So this is at 0th clock pulse, 1 clock pulse, 2 clock pulse, 3 clock pulse. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more concept let me tell you. See, when we have two flip-flop, so the possible number of states we will have is 2 to the power n. So these are your counting states. So here we will have how many counting states? 2 to the power 2, so that is 4. But out of those 4 states, how many are use state? How many are we using? So use state are those states which are repeating, okay, which are repeating. So here you can see 1 2 3, these 3 states are repeating. So here we have 3 use state and 1 unused state, okay? So these 3 are your use state and this one is your unused state, okay? So let me see, self-starting counter. Okay, self-starting I will tell you later. Fine. So any doubt up to this point? Any doubt? Use state, unused state? Okay, so if you guys don't have any doubt, I want you to look at this. Now from the question given over here, I want you to think about this just for a minute or so and tell me what are you going to do. See, here it is asked, means they have given you a state table. So a state transition table has been given to you. Okay, a state transition table has been given to you. Now they are asking what? Find next state equation, state diagram, and implement it in logic circuit using JK flip-flop. So how are you going to do this now? So think about this question for a minute and then we will solve. See, now whenever we have, could you please show the previous slide? This one or this one? Quickly. Done? Okay. Okay, so for this one, look, over here we have been given with your state transition table. Okay, state transition table is given. So what we do? So look over here, it is given, we have to implement it using JK flip-flop. Okay, so now what we can do, if they have given us the state transition table, with the help of the state transition table, I can find the input of my flip-flop by using what? By using what? Can we find your inputs of the flip-flop? Means what happened? So we are not even able to, means are we not revising or what? So you guys should revise, okay? Please revise. It doesn't matter, I am telling you. It will not matter how much you study. So GATE syllabus is very vast, okay? There is no end for studying. But how much can you capitalize? That is very much essential. Like characteristics equation. So how can we do it with the help of characteristics table? Means characteristics equation. Excitation table. We forgot. So here we have, look, the present state of A flip-flop and your next state of A flip-flop. So if we draw the excitation table, so what we have? We can get your Shruti. Did you understand? So we can get what? We can get your basically the inputs for JA, KA, JB, KB. So look over here. First is 0, 1. So 0, 1 for corresponding input is what? 1 don't care. Next is what? 0, 1. So again 1 don't care. Look at this 2 column. This 2 column only. So now look 1, 1. So for 1, 1 it will be don't care 0. For 1, 0 it will be don't care 1. So we have JAKA filled. Now let us fill your JBKB. So for JBKB, look at this 2 columns. Okay, this 2 column. So first one is 0, 1. So corresponding to 0, 1 you have 1 don't care. Next is 1, 0. So for 1, 0 you have don't care 1. For 0, 1 we have what? 1 don't care. And for 1, 1 it is don't care 0. See, I am repeatedly telling, if you don't revise, means at the end you won't be able to remember anything. So after each and every class you need to revise, okay? After each and every class you guys need to revise repeatedly, I am telling. And if you think GATE exam is very easy, you will be like feeling like oh, it's okay yaar, ekdam simple. It's very simple. Simple hai exam, to hum to kar lenge. So it is not like that. So before your starting preparation only, I will show you this graph so that later on you have this thing in your mind. So draw this graph in front of your study table and keep it pasted. Okay. This is number of aspirant. This is month. Okay. Okay. So let me take this as January 22 and this is January 23. Okay. So look over here. At this point, January 22. So I should have taken one more over here. So let me consider this as February or March. Okay. So this is March. So the maximum number of candidates they study till your January to March, even till April. So the number of candidates it is same. You can see there is slight decrease, but it's okay. Now from April to July, you will find more candidates enrolling for GATE. More candidates, more will join. Why? Because there will be droppers. Okay, those who will not be getting desired college, so they will plan of getting your means again they will be planning of reattempting your GATE. So look over here, July. Now after this what happens, suddenly you will see there is a linear decrease in the number of candidates till October. So this is March, this is April, this is my own analysis after so much, it means after like 3-4 years of teaching and 6-7 years of giving GATE myself. Okay, so this is July, you can consider it means over here little bit. So till October, this is what? There is a linear decrease in student. Due to what? Due to means students they feel like we haven't done or they will get placed somewhere. Okay, or they will think GATE exam is not enough for building our career or anything. Okay, so such kind of things they will get and there will be a linear decrease. Now from October to December, you will see that there is a steep decrease, but still it is going to be linear only, not that much. So there will be a steep decrease. But from December to January, there will be exponential decrease in the number of students. You will see this. See, today there is 6 students. So by the end of January, you will see only 1 student or 2 students in this class. Even with this batch also I am telling. Now you have to decide who you are, whether you want to give up over here, here, here. Now, February you have your exam. So more decrease you will see over here. Now if suppose for ECE, this is just a vague example. So assume if 1 lakh students are appearing for GATE exam. Okay, 1 lakh. So over here it will be 1 lakh 30. At this point it will be like 50 to 60,000. At this point it will come down to 10,000. Until this before exam only 3,000 students will be left, not more than this. So your fight will be with this 3,000 students only. Those who can hold themselves against all the demotivation, against all the negative things that are being said. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Someone will say GATE is not at all lucrative, you can do this, that. Someone will say like your relatives, they will come, Arey, what you are doing, go to Canada, settle over there, you will get like very good salary. So there are a lot of things that will go around in your head and you will be quitting somewhere over here. Now you need to decide, you are standing at this position. Now you need to decide whether you want to come over here and compete with the students, or whether you want to give away some place over here. And this is very truth. You can see each and every year, means like in ECE this year, only 5,000 students they have qualified. Okay, so they have qualified 5,000 students. Out of this, only 2,500 will be getting something good. From 2,500 to 5,000, they will not be getting anything good. Okay, so they will have a scorecard. उसको ना फ्रेम करवा के रख ले सकते हैं वो लोग. So it's of no use. So I am telling this from your ECE perspective. So now you need to decide where you want to give up. Somewhere over here you might feel that your preparation is not enough for this year, so we will prepare next year. Some of you might think. Some of you might be working someplace. So at this point you will feel like it's very much difficult to optimize between work and studies. So you will give up over here somewhere. I have seen. Okay. So your brain, it starts to give up before you. Okay. So you might have seen the athletes. Okay. Athlete like this marathon runners or heavy weight lifters. Okay. So before their body give up, their brain actually tells them that, okay, we can't do this, we can't do this. You give up, you give up. So it has been given in interviews like a lot of people that their brain actually tells them to give up before the body does. Okay. So now you need to decide where you want to quit, what should be your preparation strategy. Okay. And if you don't revise, then means I will say you will give up somewhere over here in between this curve. If you don't revise now, you are going to give up over here. Why? Because at this time you will be giving test series, and when you give test series in this time, you will see that you are not able to get any good marks, and then you will think, what, my preparation is not good enough. Okay, so now you need to decide for yourself what you want to do. So keep this graph in your mind always. Keep this graph in your mind. So now it's up to you. You have started from here. Okay. You have started from here. You need to decide whether you can walk this path and come up till this point. Okay. Or whether you want to give up some place over here. Okay. So we have what? We have your JA, KA, JB, KB. Now, what we should do, let us actually, let me do it over here. So let us write JA as a function of AN, BN, KA as a function of AN, BN. Similarly, JB and KB as a function of AN, BN. So you can see JA is equal to 1, 1, don't care. Okay, in 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you draw the K map for JA, so once I will draw, you can see what? That this is 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is AN, BN. So at 0, 0 you have 1, at 0, 1 you have 1, and in the remaining places you have don't care. So you can make a group of 4, and when you have a group of 4 in your 2 variable K map, obviously your JA is going to be 1. Similarly for K, you can see only at this place it is 1, remaining all the places it is what? It is your don't, means it is here it is 0, here it is don't care. So in the same truth table only, truth table I am telling, in the same K map I am going to draw for KA. Or else it's okay. This was for JA. So it was 1, 1, don't care, don't care. This is for KA. So this is for KA, this is for JB, this is for KB. Okay, so KA, you can see it is don't care, 0, 1. So I can make a group of 2, and KA is equal to what? KA is equal to BN. Okay, now over here JB, so that is 1 don't care, 1 don't care. So again I can make a group of 4. So JB is equal to 1. And similarly for KB, you can see it is don't care, 1, don't care, 0. So we can make it like this. So KB is equal to AN complement. Okay. So now I have inputs of JA, means of the AH flip flop and your B flip flop. Okay. A flip flop and B flip flop. So I can draw what? I can draw my synchronous counter. So I will give you time to copy. First you see. Okay, so J is 1, JB is 1, both of them are 1, and K is BN, KA is BN. So this time I am drawing a rough diagram, and KB is what? KB is AN complement. Okay, fine. So we have drawn what? P1 got your this implementation. Now we need to find what? Next state equation. So next state equation is very simple. AN plus 1 is equal to JA AN complement plus KA complement AN, and BN plus 1 is equal to JB BN complement plus KB complement BN. So you have JA, you have KA, you have JB, KB. So you can get the next state equation also. So that will be what? AN complement, and over here K is what? It is equal to BN complement. So that will be plus BNAN, and over here JB is 1. So that will be BN complement. KB is equal to AN. Sorry, KB is equal to AN complement. So that will be AN dot BN. So you can write it like this also: BN complement plus AN dot BN complement, sorry, BN plus BN complement. So this will become BN complement plus AN. So you can see basically this is what? This is like your this example only. Okay. So I have taken the same question. Just once I have given you this. In this question I have given you next state equation, and in the second question I have given you what? I have given you the state transition table. Okay. So the same question I have taken twice, but in the both the question I have taken different parameters in solving the question. First I have given you next state equation and asked you about state diagram, state table. Here I have given you state table and I have asked you about the implementation, next state equation and state diagram. So even state diagram you can draw. It will be 0 0 to 1 1, then from 1 1 to 0 1, then from 0 1 to 1 0, and from 1 0 to 1 1. Tell me if this is clear or not. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, so you guys can copy now. Copy very quickly. Okay, copy. Done? So we have questions now. Okay, questions we need to solve and practice. Please show previous slide. This one. A should be equal to Bn. A should be equal to Bn. So here is Ka. So Ka is equal to Bn only. A is equal to Bn. Oh. So here I have written it is as Bn complement. So this is Bn. In the logic diagram, yes. Is it done? Chalo. So let us solve this question. So very quickly solve this question. So sir, equation will change. Equation, how will it change? So here I had just put a bar. So why will this change? This was actually a mistake. We have one complemented, one non-complemented output. Why will the next state equation? Okay. So JB, okay, not this one. Why will this one change? So JA is 1, AN complement, and K is equal to BN plus BN complement AN. So this will be AN complement plus BN complement dot AN. Now is this okay? Sir, of AN plus 1. Yes, of AN plus 1 only. Yes. Okay. So now solve this question. Answers? So what is given over here? 2D flip-flop are connected as a synchronous counter that goes through the following sequence QB/QA. See, I told you that in the question, always the MSB and LSB will be given to you. So QB is MSB, means B is MSB, and A is LSB. So it is given. That goes through the following QB/QA sequence. Counting sequence has been given. The connection to the inputs DA and DA. So this is the second question that has been asked. Look, in the second question, we were given with the state table. And all these things can be asked: next state equation, state diagram, and logic circuit implementation using JK flip-flop. So here they have asked that this needs to be implemented using D flip-flop. Okay, D flip-flop. So what are the inputs DA and DB they are asking? So very simple. So what you can do? Again, your excitation table you need to see. So excitation table of D flip-flop, I have told you, very simple. Even you don't need to write. Okay, whatever is Q plus, same will be D. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So whatever is DB, so whatever is QB, you copy it 1, 0, 1, 0. And over here, this is what? DA is equal to, same this will, so this is 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So now you need to find DB in terms of QB QA and DA in terms of QB QA. So you can see DB is equal to what? If you write the corresponding minterms, so QB QA, so that will be QB complement QA complement for this one, and for this one it will be QB complement dot QA, the minterms for this two. So if I take QB common, QB complement common, so this will be QA complement plus QA, so that will be 1. Similarly for your DA, so DA is equal to QB complement dot QA complement plus, for this one it will be QB QA. So this is QB XNOR with QA. So which option do you see? So DB is equal to QB complement, over here we have, and DA is equal to this one. So option D is your correct answer. B क्यों? Why B? Shubham, why are you telling me B? How many of you got correct answer for this question? Option D is the correct answer. So this is actually showing that you are not doing revision, you guys. Okay, this is actually showing that only. So in your Friday session, we will have, means Dinesh sir will also join. So repeatedly I will tell, please revise. See, 2 subjects are going on at the time. Okay. Out of that, like for the last few weeks, I am unavailable due to my health condition, along with all the work. Okay. Workload I have. So I keep on rescheduling the classes. So even that you guys are not doing. So Piyush told me that in the afternoon there is some issue. He cannot concentrate. So I thought I will take in the evening. But you guys are not doing proper workout. So what will happen? This simple question you guys couldn't solve. Chalo, this question solve. So this is 2017. Okay, so you can note it down later. First others, let they understand the question. Copy this question quickly.
So,
Yes.
sir, I'm solving using K-map, but I'm getting a different answer, sir.
You cannot get a different answer even if you solve using K-map. Why will you get a different answer? See, first of all, this is 0, 0. And in K-map, after 0, 0, you get 0, 1. But here you have 1, 1. Then you have 0, 1. Then you have 1, 0. So this corresponds to cell number 0. This corresponds to cell number 3. This corresponds to cell number 1. And this corresponds to cell number 2. Okay. So you might have messed up. You might have written 0, 1 over here and you are writing. So that is what you have done, Shubham. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. तो वन थिंग, कभी स्टूडेंट नहीं, कभी टीचर भी तो स्टूडेंट था, है ना? So while I was preparing, I have also done those mistakes. Okay, so that was 2011 question. So even I have done. So I know where you might be doing mistakes. Okay, solve this one now quickly. So B, Shruti is telling. Look over here, everyone. So we need to find T. So basically, means sorry, we need to find T1. So look at this two. So this is 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, and over here this is also 0. Fine. And T naught, so for T naught we need to look at this two column. So this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be 0. Okay, so fine. So T1, you can see T1 is equal to what? It is equal to Q1 complement Q naught. What about T naught? So T naught, you can see all this, means if you see, so corresponding to this, T naught is equal to Q1 Q naught complement plus this one is what? Q1 complement Q naught plus over here we have what? Q1 Q naught complement. So from here, if I take Q1 complement common, so this is Q1 Q naught. So this will come out to be Q1 plus Q naught, complements like this. So which option do we see? T1 is this one, Q1 Q naught complement, option B. Option B we are seeing. Okay, so even without drawing K-map, so if it is a two variable, okay, 2-bit counter, so without using K-map you can solve like this, but if it is a 3-bit counter, you cannot solve it like this because it will take time for minimization with the help of this process. So you can easily draw K-map, but always remember that you don't make mistake. Here you can see this corresponds to cell number 0, this corresponds to 1, this corresponds to 2. Okay, so here it is given like this only, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so here it is given like this, so then there will not be problem. But over here you can see this sequence I haven't built using this. Now if you want to build, you can build it like that also. Okay, you can build it using the state table, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You can draw using that also, you will get the same result. Okay, so now solve this question quickly. Answers? Answers, anyone? So very simple question. Just understand the question first. Okay, so look, in the following sequential circuit, the initial state before the first clock pulse, that means at 0th clock pulse, the state is what? 0, 0. The state Q1, Q0 immediately after 333rd clock pulse. Okay, so what is the state after 333rd clock pulse? Okay, so let us try to find. So you can see what? That basically this is your 2-bit synchronous counter. So it will have some counting state, some use state. So let us try to find out that. So you can see what? If I write the next state equation of this J0 means 0th flip flop and this is first flip flop. So Q0 plus will be what? J0 Q0 complement plus K0 complement Q0. So fill over here J0, J0 you can see what? That it is Q1 complement. What is K0? So K0 is Q1. Q0. So if you do so, Q0 plus comes out to be what? It is equal to Q1 complement. Similarly, you can find what? You can find Q1 plus. So Q1 plus is equal to J1. So now in examination you are not going to write like this. Immediately this step should come up. Okay, this step should directly come up. So J1 is what? It is equal to Q0. So you will write like this: Q0 Q1 complement plus. Okay, so what is K1? So it is Q0. So complement will be normal Q0 and Q1. So over here you can see this will be Q1 plus is equal to Q0. Okay, so here because I am teaching, so I need to make you understand, so that is why I am writing this much. Okay, so now you have your next state equations. So with the help of next state equations, you can find the state table. See, now this is how you are going to do in exam. So here Q1 is what? Q0. So at clock pulse 0, the counter is 0, 0. So at the first clock pulse, what will be the next state? So that will be your, over here you can see Q0 complement. So Q0 is what? Now this is, look, see, this was your present state. Now for when you apply clock pulse 1, that will be your next state. So for this next state, this too will be your present state. Okay, so you can see Q1 is what? It is equal to Q0. So Q0 is 0, and over here Q0 plus is what? Q1 complement. So Q1 is 0 initially, so this will become 1. So at the next clock pulse, this is your present state, this too. Okay, this is your Q1, this is your Q0. So if you feel a little bit difficulty, you can write it like this also. Now it will be okay. So if you write, so you can see Q1 is equal to Q0. So this will be 1, this will be 1. At third clock pulse, you can see this will be 1, this will be 0. At fourth clock pulse, this is equal to Q0, this is 0. So from where you have started, you are again ending at the same point. So once you get the repeated state, you need to stop over there. So you started from 0, 0, then you went to 0, 1, then you went to 1, 1, from 1, 1 you went to 1, 0, and again back to 0, 0. So this was at your first clock pulse, this was at your second clock pulse, this was at your third clock pulse, and this was at your fourth clock pulse. So here you can see basically this counter is repeating at 4 clock pulses. So immediately after 33rd clock pulse, so this state was achieved after the end of first clock pulse, this 1, 1 state was achieved at the end of the second clock pulse, this 1, 0 was achieved at the end of third clock pulse, and this was achieved at the end of fourth clock pulse. So at 333rd clock pulse, so divide 333 by 4, so this will be 8, 4 3s are 12, so remainder is 1. So you can see 83 times this cycle will continue. 83 times this cycle will continue, and at the end of 333rd clock pulse, you will basically get the state that is after first clock pulse. Why? Because remainder is 1. So what is the state after your first clock pulse? It is 0, 1. So option B is your correct answer. Why A?
So,
Yes.
so I didn't get that table you draw, like the second, the when the clock pulse equals to 1.
Can it be Q naught? Wait a second. Piyush has written, can it be Q naught plus is equal to Q1? Okay, mistake, understood. Okay, fine. Okay, so you didn't understand this table. Okay, if you didn't understand, it's okay. So this was the shortcut way. If you are not understanding this one, then you have your long way of doing. So Q1 plus was equal to Q naught, and Q naught plus equal to Q1 complement. Let me check. Q1 is equal to, okay, fine. So now you draw the clock pulse. So over here you write what? 0, 0. So if you start from 0, 0, so this is your clock pulse 0. By the end of clock pulse 0, you will have what? You will have, that means at the starting, means at the end of clock pulse 0, or at the application of clock pulse 0, your state is 0, 0, or it's okay if you write it like this. At clock pulse 0, your state was 0, 0. So at the starting of clock pulse 1, what will happen? The 0, 0 will get converted to 0, 1. So at the starting of the second clock pulse, this 0, 1 is your present state. Next state will be what? It will be 1, 1. Put in this equation. Put in this equation. Now at third clock pulse, present state is 1, 1. Next state will be what? It will be 1, 0. At fourth clock pulse, your present state is 1, 0. Your next state is what? It is 0, 0. See, I am deriving it using this. Now you are getting the same thing, but you are just wasting a little bit of more time. So you can again draw this state diagram. You can draw. Is this clear now, Shubham? Shubham, is it clear? Okay, fine. So this was a good question. Okay, this question solved very quickly. Answers? See, it is given what? A 2-bit synchronous counter. See, most of the time what happens? Student, they don't understand the concept of sequential circuit, and then they think what? That it is very difficult, very difficult. Okay. But sequential circuit is the most simplest topic. Okay. So look, a 2-bit synchronous counter using 2 JK flip-flop is shown. Okay. So this is shown using 2 JK flip-flop. The expression for the inputs to the JK flip-flop are also shown in the figure. The output sequence sorry, the output sequence of the counter starting from Q1, Q2 equal to 0, 0 is. Again, you can see they have told you the MSB and LSB. Very simple. So you need to basically find the order. So over here, simply if you write the next state equation. So if this is your first flip-flop and this is your second flip-flop, so Q1 plus will be equal to what? J1 Q1 complement plus K1 complement Q1. So J1 is what? Q1 plus Q2, Q1 complement. And what is K1? So it is Q1 plus Q2 complement, whole complement Q1. So let us solve this. So this will be Q2 Q1 complement plus this will be Q1 Q2. Okay, Q1 Q2. Why? Because if I use De Morgan's rule, so this will be Q1 NAND Q2, and this NAND and this complement, it will cancel out each other, so it will become and here we have Q1, so Q1 into Q1, it will be simple Q1. So Q1 plus comes out to be what? It comes out to be, I can take Q2 common. Now similarly for Q2 plus, it will be equal to J2 Q2 complement plus K2 complement Q2. So this will be equal to what? You can see over here. So J2 is Q1 complement plus Q2, Q2 complement plus K2, it is Q1 plus Q0 complement, whole complement Q2. Okay. So this will be what? Q1 complement Q2 complement plus this will be Q1 complement dot Q2 complement. Okay, so Q2 dot Q2. So I can remove it from here. Okay, so over here you can see Q2 plus comes out to be Q1 complement. So you got the next state equation. Now very simple. You can get what? You can get the next state and present state, present state diagram you can get. So clock pulse, over here you don't even require clock pulse. So Q2, Q1. So Q2 is equal to what? Q2 is equal to Q1 complement, and Q1 plus is equal to what? It is equal to Q2. Okay. So initially it is 0, 0. So next time it will be complement. So this at first clock pulse this will be 1 and this will be 0. At second clock pulse this will be 1, this will be 1. At third clock pulse this will be 0, this will be 1. At fourth clock pulse you can see this will again become 0 and this will be 0. So you can see from 0, 0 you are going to 1, 0, then from 1, 0 to 1, 1, then from 1, 1 to 0, 1, and from 0, 1 again you are going to 0, 0. So where can you see this 0, 0 to 1, 0? only at this place 1 1 0 1 0 0. So option D is your correct answer. ये C कैसे? How are you guys getting C? Why are you guys getting C? Both of you are getting C. So have I done some mistake anywhere? So check once. No, I don't think so. I have done so. So I haven't done any mistake. You can check yourself. So where have you guys done some mistake? Tell me. It is of the form Q1, Q2. Where?
Yeah, sir, it's Q1, Q2. So check for the answer, sir. This Q1 is MSB, no?
Oh ho, Q1, Q2 बोला है. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. So I have written Q2, Q1. Okay. So fine then. So then it will be what? 0 0. Next will be 0 1. Next will be 1 1. Next will be 1 0. Then it will be 0 0. Okay, so I couldn't see actually over here. Okay, it was like this for me. So it's okay. I'm sorry. So this will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Option C. Okay, so please interchange this. Okay, I will only do. Okay, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay, is it of Q1, Q2? So I was not able to see. I wrote like this. Okay, fine. Now this question. Very quickly solve this question. See, this was a 2-mark question, but it should take you less than 2 minutes to solve. 2 minutes, I am telling. Less than 10 seconds to solve. Answer C. So what is given? The digital logic shown in the figure satisfies the given state diagram when Q1 is connected to A. Okay, so Q1 is connected to A like this of the XOR gate. Okay, fine. So when you connect Q1 to A, your state diagram, it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Suppose the XOR gate is replaced by an XNOR gate. Which one of the following option preserves the state diagram? So they are telling, if suppose instead of this XOR gate, you replace it with XNOR gate, so which of the following option preserves the state diagram? So previously you can see D2 was what? D2 was A XOR with S, and A, it was connected to Q1. So Q1 XOR with S, at that time you got the state table. Now what happens that D2 in the second case, this was the first case, in second case basically it is connected to XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR gate. Now if you need to maintain this only, if you need to maintain this, then this XNOR should perform as your XOR. Then only we will get the state, na? Then only we will get the state diagram. If there is change over here, then how will be able to get this one? So how can we do that? So over here S is fixed, now A. So what can we do? If we connect this A with Q1 complement, my problem is solved. Why? If this is Q1 complement XNOR S, we know this is equal to what? Q1 XOR with S. Okay, so we can see we will get the same diagram. So simple, option D, input A is connected to Q1, Q1 complement. Okay, so Q1 complement. I told you, means this question will be very simple. Now Shubham is telling A, then you are telling D. What is this? Didn't see the options correctly. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, fine. So this question I would like to take you guys as homework. This is your homework question. So this is what? This is basically your sequence detector. Okay, sequence detector. So very easily also you can solve this question. So what you need to do, I will tell you the shortcut trick also. So you should be doing what? By looking at the state diagram table, you can see there will be one present state, next state, based on what? There is some input over here. Okay. So input will decide what, from which present state to next state you will go. So over here you can see the state diagram of the finite state machine FSM designed to detect an overlapping sequence of 3 bits is shown in the figure. The FSM has an input in and an output out. Okay. The initial state of FSM is S0. Okay, it is S0. So you need to find what? If the input sequence is this, starting with the leftmost bit, then the number of times out will be 1. So simple, what you are going to do, just copy this input. So it is 1, starting from with the leftmost. So this is your leftmost. So 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. So this is your input. This is your present state. This is your next state. Over here you are going to write output. So initially you are starting from 0 0. The initial state of the S0 means FSM is S0, finite state machine. So about this we are going to discuss in the next class, but today there is no concept of FSM over here. Okay. So look, input sequence has been given. So you are starting from S0. So S0 is 0 0. So when you apply input 1, look over here, where are you going? So this is your S0 state. If you apply input 1, you are going to 0 1. So 0 1 is what? 0 1 is your next state. And what is the output? Output is 0. Okay, output is 0. Now your present state is 0 1. You apply 0 input. So if you apply input 0, you can see for input 0, you are going to S2. So your next state will be 1 0 and your output is 0. So like this you are going to fill this table and you need to see how many times you are getting output as 1. Okay, how many times you are getting output 1. So this is the long way of solving, and in the next class I will even show you how to basically see one sequence detector and solve it. Okay, so even without solving so much, directly also you can write the answer over here. So first I want you guys to try this like this way, and in the next class I am going to discuss what is your finite state machine. Okay, is this clear everyone, how to solve this question? Tell me yes or no. Is this clear how to solve this question? Okay, so now, so this question we can solve. Okay, so we need to design one synchronous counter for this sequence. So first design the counter when you have this state diagram. So quickly design this. So you can design it using JK flip flop. Okay, so design it using JK flip flop. So here you can see it will be a 3-bit counter. Why? 7, 5. So we cannot represent this number using 2-bit. So today I will send the group, slide in the group. Okay, and once we finish this chapter completely, then I will upload it in the Google Drive. Okay, so it is better that way. So today I will send the slide in the group. Okay, so you can copy your notes also after the class. Let me take a 3-bit synchronous counter with A, B, C, A flip flop, B flip flop, C flip flop, where A is MSB, C is LSB. Okay, so look, when your present state, okay, so over here I should be writing AN, BN, Cn, over here AN plus 1, BN plus 1, Cn plus 1. Okay, so I'm writing all the combinations of present state. So look, we have been given with the state table. So when it is 0, 0, 0, your next state is what? It is 2. So 2 corresponds to 0, 1, 0. Okay, when your present state is 0, 0, 1, what will be your next state? So what will be your next state when your present state is 0, 0, 1? Answers quickly. Don't care. Yes, very good. So we don't know what it will be, so we are going to put don't care. When your present state is 0, 1, 0, you can see next state is 4, so 4 corresponds to 1, 0, 0. When your present state is 0, 1, 1, we don't know what will be the next state, so we put don't care. When your present state is 1, 0, 0, next state is 5, so 5 corresponds to 1, 0, 1. When your present state is 5, next state is 7, so 1 1 1. When present state is 1 1 0, that means 6, we don't know what will be your next state, so we put don't care. And last, when it is 7, you can see your next state will be 0 0 0. So we have the present state, we have the next state. Now we basically need to construct your I told you what, synchronous counter using JK flip flop. So we require the inputs. Okay, we require the inputs. So how can we do that? Using your excitation table. Okay. So you might be thinking that why we are doing such kind of question, it's unnecessary, but no, it's not unnecessary. You can see with the help of those two questions only, we have covered so many questions. Even today, if after class you go and solve the questions of synchronous counter, most of the questions you can solve. Okay, most of the questions you will be able to solve. So look, now very quickly we need to fill this table. Okay. So Q plus JK 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this will be 0 1, don't care, don't care. This will be don't care, don't care, 1 0. Okay. Okay, fine. So now for writing JK, look into this two column, an plus 1. Okay. So directly I am writing this will be 0 0 don't care. Next will be don't care, don't care. Next will be 1 don't care. So this will be what? Z. Okay. So here we have some problem. Okay. So let me ask you. Means I solved it myself, but it's okay. So look over here. an plus 1. So this is 0. This is 0. So for 0 0, we have 0 don't care. But look over here. We have 0 don't care. Now for such kind of combination, we don't have present state and next state. So what should I put over here? In J and K? See, none of this combination means we don't have a combination that looks 0 don't care over here. So what can we do? What can we do over here? See, whenever you don't have such kind of present state and next state combination for input in the excitation table, simply put don't care, don't care. Simply put don't care, don't care. Next is what? 0 1. So 0 1 corresponds to 1 don't care. Next you can see what? It is 0 don't care. So this will be don't care, don't care. Next is 1 1. So 1 1 corresponds to don't care 0. Next again 1 1. So don't care 0. Next is 1 don't care. So this will be don't care, don't care. And over here it is 1 0. So 1 0 corresponds to don't care 1. Look if this is okay to you or not. Is this okay? JA, KA. Now I am not going to solve JA, KA, JB, KB, JC, KC. You need to tell me what is JA in terms of AN, BN, CN. Similarly, JB means KB. So one of you solve this one, other solve this one, and one of you solve this JCKC. Okay. So I will be just filling, you will be telling me what are the inputs. Okay, JK, JB, KB, you need to tell me. So for this one, we need to look at this table and this table. So 0 1, 0 1 corresponds to 1 don't care. So 1 0, 1 0 corresponds to don't care 1. JA is BN, KA is CN. Okay. So I will write whatever you guys tell me. 0 1. Okay, so 0 1 is 1 don't care. Now don't make mistake, 1 don't care, so this will be don't care, don't care. Last is 1 0, so that will be don't care 1. Similarly, we have JCKC. So this is this one and this one. So 0 0 means your 0 don't care. 1 don't care means don't care, don't care. 0 0 means 0 don't care. 1 don't care means don't care, don't care. 0 1. Okay. So you are telling me J is Bn and Ka is Cn. Okay. Anyone tell me what is JB KB? What happened? Arey, tell me quickly. See, only one means Shruti is solving. No one else is even bothering. So if you behave like this, if this means if you continue like this, so what will happen? Okay, you are doing. So JB is QC plus QA complement. Acha. JB is QC plus QA complement and KB is 1. Means we have written it in form of AN BN. So I will write it like AN complement plus CN and this is 1. So JCKC. JCKC. So what about JC and KC? JC, I guess. So this is what? 0, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Array 1, 1, 3, 5. No, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be JC will be your AN and KC will be don't care, don't care. 5. So this will be what? 1, 1, 0. So BN. KC will be your BN. Okay. I started after you guys and still I completed. What are you guys doing? Chalo. So now we have what? we have your next state equation and the corresponding inputs also. Last state, array, where you did mistake? This is correct, this I solved, but this too you told me. So where have you done mistake? So tell me. Okay, so this is kind of ESE question, okay? So I will be very honest with you. This is 720. But 720 I am not able to get in TT. Truth table. 720 why? अरे 0 to 7 होता है यार. How are you taking from 7 to 0? You should take from 0 to 7. So is this correct? Tell me. This is correct. JC and KC I have calculated it myself. So this is correct. What about this one? This two? JA, KA, JB, KB. Sir, KB is equal. How? I don't know. I haven't solved. It is correct to group 3. Don't cares with the 1. We didn't do this in K-map for Boolean expression. What? It correct to group 3. Don't care with the 1. Means I am not able to understand. We didn't do this in K-map for Boolean expression. For JC, yes. So, and KC, yes. So there are don't cares. So that is okay. You guys, na. So I only need to solve. Look over here. So I have written this in the order. So this will be 0th cell, first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, fifth cell, sixth cell, seventh cell. So this is for JC I am doing. AN, BN, CN. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this is 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So this is don't care 0 1 2 3 4 4 up to 4 it is don't care. So 0 1 to 4 it is don't care, fifth is 0, sixth is again don't care, seventh is 1. Okay, fine. So where is the problem? Piyush, where is the problem? Yes, this is the group we have. So we need to make a group. So you can make a group of 4 like this. So if you make a group of 4 like this, JC will be equal to BN. Now similarly you can do what? Okay. So now you need to make for KC. So KC if you make, again you can draw it, you will get BN. Okay, just give me a minute, okay.